He reckons something's wrong with his body. So yesterday was a day. We've had a good night's rest and I think we've had a chance to refocus and just rein it all back in a little bit. We were really trying to go gung-ho at this project and I think we just need to take a step back and really remember why it is we're here. We're working together with our gorgeous little family. We're in absolute paradise and we're working on a legacy that, you know, we're gonna come back here and holiday and our kids are gonna come back here and holiday with their friends and their kids are gonna come back here with them and holiday here. Like, this is gonna be amazing once it's done. It's just getting through that nitty-gritty. I think we're gonna take it a little bit easier and not push ourselves so hard, and hopefully that'll help us get through this in one piece. Let's head out to the block. Poor Daisy's been having a hard morning. Ivy's got her all settled over there. Putting her to sleep and smells there. You're so cute. Such a good kid. So across the roads have been cleared today. You see the ocean now, which is beautiful. It'll be nice when they clear it all. Maybe we've been working on our rock wall.
Okay, so Dad's gotten me to build a little rock wall so that we can find our boundary line. He doesn't want it to be too fancy or anything. He just wants it to be nice and simple. But maybe I'll be able to make some little garden beds or something.
Everyone's just having a bit of a break. It's a very hot day today, so everyone has to make sure they keep taking water breaks.
Right, so after all the emotions and drama from yesterday, I figure we'll just have a little bit of an easy day today. So we'll get the base coat we've got stored in the other container, whack some of that all over the walls. It shouldn't take long at all. And then we'll probably just head back to the Airbnb and go for a swim and just chill out and sort of recover and spend some time together as a family. Right, so I got it wrong. It's not going to be an easy morning after all. We've had this base coat in the other container for about 3 years now, due to COVID and all that sort of thing. It's meant to be a 90-minute base coat, so you'd get somewhere around 90 minutes to use it once it's mixed. What we're finding is I'm mixing it, and by the time I've mixed it in the space of like 2 minutes, I have another 2 minutes to use it before it goes rock hard. So I'm not sure what's going on. It's not going on the walls right. So we're just gonna leave it for today. I'm gonna go do some research, try to figure out what's going on with it. It might just be old and ruined from all the humidity in the container for 3 years. If that's the case, then I'll just have to buy some here. But I'm gonna go do some research and then we'll come and tackle this again tomorrow.
Hasn't quite turned out how you wanted, has it, Bob?
No.
We'll get there eventually.
That's the motto here, hey?
Before a build, we'll get there eventually.
That's nice.
Oh, it's raining.
I was trying to get out of the floaty.
He's asleep.
I didn't know. The rain's ruined Dad's procrastinating. So we went to this huge shop to get base coat. It's like the Vanuatu version of Bunnings. I'm going to help Dad clean up the container. Then we'll be able to get this new base coat on. The faster we get the inside done, the faster us kids can come out of the humidity while Mum and Dad work. We can't wait to come chill out inside.
Looks good in here.
Hey?
So it looks good in here.
This stuff's way better.
Yeah?
Yeah. That other stuff, I don't know what was going on. I could have got dog shit smeared on the wall, and I reckon I could have made it look nicer than that other stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. I looked it up. Could be a couple of things. It's because it's been in the container in the humidity for 3 years, so that could have ruined it. We're using bore water right next to the ocean, so it could be too salty, and apparently that makes it set really fast too. Or it's the 96% humidity, so there's 3 things it could be. So it's setting too fast. But this stuff goes on like butter. This is exciting. I was worried. I was like, this is going to look so terrible. I've never had so much trouble with the base coat. Usually I get it on the same as this stuff. But now, I got a bit down before. But now I've put some of this on, I'm getting a little bit excited again.
Oh, it's good.
I'll get all this room done. I'll get some of that done. You should be able to sand all this tomorrow and then paint it. And then you'll be able to clean up the floor, you know, put some stuff in here and actually like start working inside the container finally.
So day 23, this is in the afternoon. We filmed this morning because I went out. So this is where we're at. Doing a top coat. Still not feeling too flashed. You look really old because of all the dust in your hair.
Oh, that's not very good.
I'm surprised you're still upstanding with all your kidney problems and stuff that you've had to deal with. So we stopped into a Nakamal on the way home from work. These are really popular places for the locals to go. You have a few shells of kava and it really helps to relax you. It's a natural remedy, really quite popular around the islands in the Pacific. It just really encourages your body and your mind to just shut down after work, and it's just a real, you know, chill out kind of a thing to do. Unfortunately, now the locals know this. The locals all know you don't combine kava and alcohol. Zach didn't. And so he's had quite a few drinks during the day, you know, sweating in the sun. He's had a couple of beers and then gone to have kava. So that's like, to start with, not a great combination. But also he suffers from some kidney problems, and so his body's really having a hard time trying to process all this stuff that's in his body at the moment. So he's not so crash hot today. Who knows if we're going to get much work done. Let's go.
Let's see that wall.
Hey?
See the wall they've been building.
Ow!
That is just built up.
It's all the way down the front. And you can see the ocean now. They've been working very hard today. And they've even planted a few trees along the way. Can you please hop down and play with your sister? You raking?
Technically no.
Technically no. You're being lazy.
Look how much work I've done.
Is Alan doing all the work? You're just standing there making it look like you did all the work? This is the other half of the wall. There's the ocean.
Blowing out the container, ready to... We're at a level where we're able to paint now. Then everyone can come inside and not worry about the dust with the baby and that. And I can finish the roof outside. Be a lot easier with a blower, hey?
Definitely a lot easier.
What are you doing down there?
Wearing myself out, it's too hot.
And then can we get some painting done?
Trying to cool down, I'm so hot. Literally by the time I walk out to the other end of the container, I'm dripping with sweat again. Yeah. Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah. Stir it up, all the glue will be at the bottom.
Yeah.
So now I'm just going for a walk and we're going to go look at some things. So just here, this is a snail shell with a snail inside. Look, this is a coconut tree. What? The coconut is at the bottom. So up there, those are pawpaw. You can eat them, they're like fruits. I'll show you a better view of them, if I can find any. I might be able to find some in the bush, but I'm not sure. Oh, found some. Here we go. These ones are all mushy, but you can see the fruit. You've got some midges and other things, but it's too yuck, so I'm just going to hop out. Blech. Little path on there. But I think this one is a ripe pawpaw, and these are all the rocks for the wall to like go along. We've already finished like this half up until. There's one up here. I showed you. There's one. So it's like a pearl shell. Funny. We are like trying to make it pretty, so like on every couple of stones we put some shells. There's one right there. Swirly shell there. There's more up there. Cool. Come on, guys. I'll show you that. There's some more swirly shells. There's another one. And my favourite thing about this one is because it's spiky and it's purple. And there's a little thing right here. Don't know what that is. You know what that one's from? Cow bone.
Dad's over there resting because he reckons something's wrong with his body, because otherwise he would not be this tired. And we're also finishing early because he's sick.
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Please clear the set.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications and give us a huge thumbs up.